Don't assume that construction is solely about large machinery. From 3D printed homes to smart bricks, emerging technologies are revolutionizing the real estate industry. The building site of the future might look like a science fiction film rather than an actual workplace. Forget the clichéd picture of construction workers wearing tool belts and hard hats. A revolution in amazing new technologies is changing the way we build. Let's have a look at some amazing cutting-edge construction technology. 1. Sekisui SPR. An innovative trenchless technique for replacing deteriorated drainage and sewer pipes is provided by Sekisui SPR. By inserting a spiral-wound PVC liner inside the old pipe, their method eliminates the need for noisy excavations and creates a robust, leak-proof new conduit. Compared to conventional dig-and-replace techniques, this approach significantly lowers costs, decreases environmental effects, and increases the lifespan of infrastructure. Sekisui SPR is the recommended method for promptly and effectively fixing burst pipes in many cities without closing streets or upsetting locals. Its trenchless approach reduces interruption and environmental effects as compared to typical pipe replacement, without closing streets or upsetting locals. For cities with aging infrastructure, this offers a lifeline. Imagine a major leak fixed within days rather than weeks of noisy construction. That's the power of Sekisui SPR. 2. Somero. Traditionally, laying a level concrete floor involved time-consuming manual measuring, screeding, and checking, often leaving minor inconsistencies. Somero replaces this with laser precision, guaranteeing exceptional flatness and a smoother final surface. Somero's laser-guided screeding equipment revolutionizes the process of installing concrete floors. These technologies guarantee smooth, level surfaces, saving time by doing away with labor-intensive manual work and producing results of the highest caliber. Somero technology improves floor quality, saves money on rework due to uneven concrete, and drastically shortens project deadlines. Somero offers unrivaled accuracy and speed for large-scale commercial projects, including warehouses and distribution centers, generating floors that are ready for demanding industrial use and heavy traffic. These tools ensure exceptional floor quality, while significantly lowering labor and speeding up the construction process. 3. Bumpa hoist provides portable material lifts that are specifically designed to expedite construction procedures. These small hoists include a base unit, an extensible pole, and a lifting platform for safely carrying heavy building materials to different floors of a project. Their space-saving design allows them to navigate even in small indoor places, and the hoist can handle a variety of materials such as bricks, drywall, and tools. Bumpa hoist's compact and nimble design makes them perfect for small construction sites and multi-story buildings. Construction work often involves lifting heavy objects to awkward heights. The Bumpa hoist eliminates the danger of carrying these loads up ladders or scaffolding. This reduces the risk of accidents, safeguarding workers, and potentially lowering insurance premiums for contractors. Think of a roofer needing a constant supply of tiles or a mason working with heavy blocks. With a Bumpa hoist, loading and unloading becomes a swift, almost effortless task. Tradespeople spend their valuable time and energy on their specialized jobs, not hauling materials. This can significantly increase productivity and reduce overall project timelines. The Bumpa hoist's compact design shines in tight spaces. Picture a multi-story renovation where interior hallways and staircases are limited. This tool effortlessly moves materials floor by floor where larger equipment simply won't fit. Some versions of the Bumpa hoist even reverse their operation, allowing controlled lowering of materials. This can be ideal for demolition projects or the safe removal of salvage materials for recycling, increasing the tool's value on any job site. Depending on the specific project, estimates suggest that the Bumpa hoist can save significant time compared to traditional material handling, especially on multi-level construction sites. The compact design and ease of use make the Bumpa hoist a potentially valuable tool outside traditional construction. Landscaping projects, warehouse work, or even assisting with heavy home renovations could benefit from this versatile lift. 4. Hilti DD 500CA. The Hilti DD 500CA is a strong professional-grade core drilling machine that produces precise, clean holes in concrete, masonry, and other challenging materials. Its high-performance motor allows for fast drilling speeds and supports large-diameter core bits for tough work. Hilti's Cut Assist technology automatically adjusts feed and pressure to provide maximum performance and user comfort. The DD500CA prioritizes safety with overload protection and integrated dust collection, and its rugged design provides long-term reliability in harsh working conditions. The DD500CA's rugged design and safety features offer longevity and peace of mind in demanding professional settings. Many construction jobs involve working with existing structures. The DD500CA excels in these environments. Think of a historic building renovation, where the integrity of the original structure is paramount. This tool enables clean, controlled drilling to minimize unnecessary damage. Hilti is known for robust tools that withstand the rigors of professional use. The DD500CA features overload protection to safeguard the motor, and its dust collection system promotes longevity and reduces health hazards on the job site. This translates to less downtime, lower maintenance costs, and a tool you can depend on for years to come. 5. Lego bricks. Don't assume construction is solely about large machinery. Emerging technologies are revolutionizing the real estate industry, and modular building systems are a prime example. Inspired by the simplicity of Lego bricks, these systems use prefabricated concrete blocks that snap together like the famous children's toy. This approach dramatically reduces on-site assembly time, streamlining construction and minimizing waste. Imagine constructing a house much like piecing together a giant Lego model, but the benefits go beyond efficiency. The Lego-like modularity offers incredible flexibility. Need to expand a room later? Modules can be added or rearranged with relative ease. In a world where needs change rapidly, these buildings can adapt too. Even deconstruction and relocation of a structure becomes far more feasible. This approach also holds promise for sustainable construction. Prefabrication in a controlled factory environment can improve quality control and reduce material waste. The ability to reuse modules in future projects aligns with the growing emphasis on a circular economy. The future of construction might be more playful than we imagined. We might see modular, Lego-inspired buildings play a role in affordable housing projects, disaster relief structures, or even adaptable commercial spaces. This technology is still evolving, but its potential for a faster, more sustainable construction process is undeniable. 6. Grass fiber reinforced polymer (GFRP) is a highly durable and lightweight composite material with numerous applications in precast concrete. GFRP's excellent tensile strength and corrosion resistance make it perfect for replacing traditional steel reinforcement in precast parts. This decreases the possibility of rust and increases the longevity of concrete structures, particularly in tough conditions such as coastal areas. Additionally, the lightweight nature of GFRP reduces the overall weight of precast pieces, making transportation and installation easier while cutting project costs. GFRP greatly increases the durability and resilience of concrete buildings, making it excellent for corrosion-prone settings. 7. Formwork system. Formwork systems are the foundation of concrete construction, providing necessary molds for shaping and supporting wet concrete until it reaches appropriate strength. Traditional formwork makes use of on-site timber frameworks, which provide flexibility but take time to install. Alternatively, prefabricated modular formwork systems comprised of metal or plastic panels allow for speedy installation, reusability, and labor savings. Other specialist formwork types exist, such as stay-in-place insulating concrete forms, ICFs, and systems built for complex curves, which improve construction efficiency and design options. The variety of formwork technologies enables efficient, cost-effective, and inventive concrete structures for a wide range of building tasks. 8. Lighthoof transforms horse paddock buildings by offering an innovative alternative to typical concrete footings. These interlocking grids constructed of recycled plastic provide a solid and sturdy foundation for paddocks, minimizing mud and erosion caused by high foot traffic. Lighthoof greatly decreases the requirement for concrete and gravel, providing a more environmentally friendly alternative. Its simple installation and modular design reduce time and labor compared to traditional poured footings, resulting in long-lasting paddocks that keep horses happy and healthy. Lighthoof's lightweight yet durable structure makes installation a pleasure, saving time and money on paddock building. This insight into cutting-edge construction technologies is only the beginning. If these advancements pique your interest, learn more about how technology is shaping future buildings. Watch out for our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.